Hi dear students, welcome back to our IT class. Today we will discuss some activities from your textbook in the chapter GeoGebra. Okay, first question, draw a figure given below in GeoGebra and find the measurements of angle created at each point. Okay, we can open GeoGebra and let us do this activity. Now I opened GeoGebra. How can we open GeoGebra? That and all we discussed in the previous class. Applications and then education, GeoGebra. Okay. Then let us see this question. Draw a triangle and then a parallel line. Then we want to find the angles here. How can we draw a triangle? Here we can see a tool, polygon. For drawing a triangle, we can take the tool polygon. Okay. Then click the tool polygon and just drag. Then we can draw a triangle like this. Next is we want to draw a parallel line for this line. How can we draw a parallel line? Take the tool parallel line from here, click on the parallel line and then just click on this line and then move. Here we got a parallel line. Okay. Next we want to find the angle here and here. We want to find the angles. How can we find the angle or how can we measure the angle? For finding the angle, first of all we want to find the intersection point. For finding the intersection point, click here and then take intersect. Okay, take the intersect tool and then take that intersect and then click on these two lines. Now we got the intersection point. Next we are going to find the angle. How can we find the angle? This is an angle tool. Click on the angle tool and then just select the points in anti-clockwise direction. That is, this way we want to select. Click here and this point and again here. Now we got the angle as 55.6. Next step is, here we want to find the angle. How can we find the angle here? Again take the angle tool and then select the points in anti-clockwise direction. That is, click here and this point and here. Now we can understand these two angles are same. By using move tool, we can place this value in a proper location. Okay. Now our first activity, we completed our first activity. Okay, let us do the second question. Using GeoGebra software, draw 3 parallel lines and a line that intersect this as shown in the picture. Measure and compare the angles marked in the picture. Here we want to draw 3 parallel lines and want to find these 3 angles and find out what are the and compare these angles. Okay. First of all, take the software GeoGebra and then take file, new. Okay, if you want to save, take save, don't save. Okay, and then we are going to draw a parallel line. For that, first of all take a segment, draw a segment and then take a tool parallel line and then click on the segment that you already drawn and move. Here we got another parallel line Again take the tool parallel line and then click on this segment, and here we got 3 parallel lines. Next we want to draw a line. Take segment and then draw like a line like this. Here we want to measure these angles, isn't it? For measuring the angle, first of all we want to find the intersection point. Same way, take the intersect and click on these 2 lines, and here we got the intersection. Same way, here also we got, okay, and also take the point. Just to click some points here for measuring. Next we are going to measure these angles. For measuring, just click the angle tool and then same way select the points in anti-clockwise direction. That is, click these points, and here we got a angle measurement. Same way, then take the move tool and then place here to make it as visible. Then as conclusion, we got these 3 angles are same. Okay,